Oh, howdy, folks. On today's episode, we will be checking out a new Korean restaurant in the middle of nowhere. Going to the kitchen and doing some preparation work. We're feeding 850 people, and we'll be having some fondue tonight. So join us. Chow, y'all.
Now today,
Trying a new place out today, Korean food, and we're the only ones here. So, is that a good thing or a bad thing? I guess we'll find out. Alright, first dish is up, some egg rolls and pot stickers, and this is definitely not on our diet, Mrs. Chef. We are drinking unsweet tea, so that's a good thing. Yeah. Alright, so first red meat in 2 weeks. Yeah. Bulgogi. Looks pretty good. What do you think, Mrs. Chef?
That's really good.
Brr, folks, it is cold and snowing out here. Very cold. Very windy. Alright, folks, thanks for joining us. Just a hangout time here. I got the TV going, so ignore that. If you can. We're going to make fondue tonight. And I've done full videos in this before in the past, so just not doing a full video type thing. But I'll show you real quick, because it's been a while. Making cheese fondue, and we're going to start off with some high quality beer. The best beer on the market here, Keystone. We only like to use the best around here. I'm using Keystone because it's a pretty neutral beer and takes on the flavors of whatever you put in it. Yeah, we got about, I don't know, 10 ounces in there, something like that. Now we're going to season that beer up. And when you start getting beer hot like I'm doing here, it's going to smell a lot like Bourbon Street. So pretty much just like Bourbon Street. There you go. Hot beer and throw up. Once I add this here Worcestershire sauce in there. Yeah. So what Mrs. Chef has here is she put a little cornstarch in some cheese, cheddar cheese. What that does is it helps keep it from breaking on you. What will happen is if you put just straight cheese in there, it's going to want to try to separate on you. And the fats will come up to the top and it'll be a big old mess. So if you put a little cornstarch, it'll actually keep it together when it goes in there. But we are still a ways away from that. And now we're seasoning up our beer base here. And we're going to throw in some mustard. This is spicy brown mustard. And you can use fresh garlic or powdered garlic in this. I'm using powder today. There we go. Powdered garlic in there. We're going to need some fresh. Oh, hell yeah. And then we got some fresh ground black pepper here we're going to throw in there. There we go. So I typically don't put any salt in this because your cheese is kind of salty already, and you get the Worcestershire in there, so it doesn't really need the salt. If you taste it and you think it needs salt, add some salt. See what this looks like right now. Here we go. There we go. And it smells just like Bourbon Street. And basically, once this gets up to a boiling point, you're pretty much ready to throw your cheese in there. And we'll throw your cheese in slowly. It's getting warm, and it's not quite hot enough yet. Just checking through with my finger. But once you start seeing the beer's going to bubble when you add these ingredients in, the carbonation and all. But once you start to see it actually bubble boil style, then you know you're ready for your cheese to start going in. So that's what we're looking like right there. Almost at the point to add the cheese. Alright folks, we're ready to start adding our cheese here. So let me start putting in really slowly. You don't want to overcrowd it, but you get big clumps. Just kind of sprinkle some in. Give it a stir. Let that kind of melt into it. Then you add another handful in. Give it a stir. There we go. Turn the heat down a little bit. You see, we're already starting to get pretty thick there, so we don't need a whole lot more. We're almost there. Actually, I think we are there. There we go. See that? That's about the thickness we're looking for. That's looking perfect. So about 2 cups of cheese there, so. Alright, we're ready. There we go, folks. Just cut up an apple, some carrots, mushrooms, and some French loaf there. And all you do is dip it in there, like so. It's such an easy, quick, something to do. Just looking for something quick and easy to make. There you go. It's an awesome thing. And it's good to have friends over when you're doing this. They tend to love this too. Ooh, yeah, Mrs. Chef. There you go. Let's try this out. It's gonna burn our face off, probably. You need to pull our bar stools out. Sitting here at the bar. That is good stuff. Ooh, this has been delicious. What do you think, Mr. Chef? Deliciousness?
Very good.
Very good. It's a great little party thing to have if you got people coming over or whatever. You can swap spit, swap COVID, and have some cheese sauce. I mean, hell. I love it on the apples, my favorite. Well, we pretty much made that fondue our bitch, huh? That was good, folks, and easy to make. So now you know how to make it at your house, and you know, have yourself a little cool meal with your girl or your man or whatever you do. Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys. Ooh, I made a mess right here. I gotta clean that up. See you next time.